This updated investment is a slam dunk. Invest today. Hi everybody, we are super excited to share with you a really exciting and an important update on a deal we have under contract that we're finalizing the equity for by next week, Friday.
F Street Wheeling LLC, which is an investment opportunity to acquire a 72,000 square foot building in Wheeling, Illinois. The current building is leased 50,000 square feet to Precision Zone, which is a longtime tenant with a mission critical site. They've been leasing the space and operating the space for years, and they're going to continue to be in the space.
Right now, the building is partially occupied, as Nick mentioned, and we see this as a value add opportunity as we have approximately 20,000 square feet to lease, which is upside for the building.
And we want to show you the update that's happened is we're working with the current tenant because the current space that the tenant is occupying is everything that's not highlighted here. So the available space would have been here, here, and here. And as you can see, this space is non-contiguous. So we're working with the tenant and the current owner to modify that space to what would be a singular contiguous space that we can not only lease, but create value for our investors and really create just a better operating building. So the current update is this space, which is a new 20,000 square foot contiguous space, which we can see the value and the upside for our investors in a long-term play for cash flow in the building.
And what this does is it allows future tenants to be more excited about leasing contiguous feet of space, and we have a wider tenant pool that will be more excited about leasing this efficient industrial space. So as you can see here, the returns and upside going from year one to year two, we have a 1 year assumption that that lease will remain vacant. However, we will be leasing that 20,000 square feet for $5 per square foot triple net or $10 gross, which you can see will boost our cash on cash returns from around 9.5% to 13.5%. And that assumes an $8 per square foot gross lease.
Yeah, absolutely. So again, going to why we're excited. Why we're excited about the deal. One, contiguous space. Demand for leasable space is really strong in this area. Now that we have contiguous space, we can find a new tenant to gain those upsides. As Josh mentioned, that leasing, we're anticipating between $5 per square foot on a triple net basis or $10 per square foot gross, which is all upside to our investors. Because we have Precision Zone in there, a large privately owned, private equity owned company, and then any new leases would be all upside for our investors.
Yeah, and the nice part about the building, we're buying this building for $74 per square foot. User demand in this market, you're seeing buildings trade around $90 to $100+ per square foot. So we've got a great basis in the building. We're really excited about the acquisition, the in-place cash flow, but also that upside that Nick referenced.
Yeah, so again, amazing opportunity, another great F Street deal. Reach us at fstreet.com or invest at fstreet.com.